Tajmotormedics. I've got a VW Polo here on a 2012 plate. Just doing a rear tail light on this side. As you can see, that one there isn't working. But on the one passenger side, it's working. So what we're going to do, I'm going to show you how to replace it. It is a very simple procedure. So all you got to do is remove this cover back. So once you remove this back, there's a screw in there. So you undo the screw. They usually do get really tight, so you just got to hold it and then just turn it. Now it's loose. So what I do, I make sure I keep hold of it. So before I do that, there's a plug on the inside. You see the black plug? So you've got a clip on the bottom and then there'll be a clip on the top. So what I need to do is I'm going to take the plug out now. So if I clip top and then bottom, hold it in and then take the whole plug out. So now that's the clip I'm talking about, 1 and 2. So you push in and then pull. So I'll leave that to the side. Now that I've got the screw loose, so while the screw's in there, what I do, I try to push it forward towards me and then got the whole thing out. And now take the tail light out. So this one here, you just got to wiggle, wedge your fingers in. So if you can, once you got it in there, pull it out. That's the little clip right there. And that one there, there's a hole there and there's a clip hole there as well. So you just got to take it out. Now this is basically the cluster. You see? So what we're doing is we're replacing the position lamp, which this one here, but that light reflects all around. You've got a clip here, pull back, clip here, pull back, clip here, pull back, and then you've got the last one here, pull back. When you're working on it, so make sure you don't drop this, otherwise you're going to be in trouble. So either put it somewhere like here in the car, for instance, and then try to undo it. Take this out, and then just remember the seal as well. So I'll put this back in. Okay, now this is the bulb we're replacing. It's a 501 bulb. I've got the bulb already, so that's the bulb we're replacing. And if you did want to do the other bulbs as well, you can do that at the same time. And this is going to be a 434, I guess. I'm sure this is a 434. This is going to be a 3, I don't know, I'll put the numbers up in the description anyway. And that's a 382 bulb right there. So if I just put this on the side for the minute, got the bulb all ready. That's a 501 bulb. I'll slot that in. That's it, that's done. Now you want to know where to get the 501 bulb from, there'll be a link in the description, you can check it out. Now this will only go one way as well, so just remember that. That clips in, clip in, clip in, clip in. That's all you got to remember, clip in. So I slot this side in first. So the bottom one and the top one, I then push it forward. That's job done. And now, before I screw this in, I'm going to plug it in first. That's now plugged in. Okay, now I screw this in. There's a screw hole just right here on the top where my finger is, as you can see. So I'll put this in sideways like this and then hold it from the bottom and then locate the screw hole. Once I got it in there, I then screw it in. All I'm going to do, I'm going to just nip it up finger tight. So don't go too mad on it, whatever you do. So next time if you did want to take it out again, it'd be easier for you to do that. Now we're just going to check to see, make sure the lights are working. Could you switch the lights on, please? Yeah, that's brilliant. Now you can see that one there is working. This one here is working as well. That's all it was on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. And there is a playlist for VW. Do check it out. There's like pressure light reset, bulb service reset, inspection reset. It's all in there. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you and goodbye.